Yeah, let's say it too. Today we are playing Did You Hear It? And this might be actually a very, very fun game. Uh, maybe though, maybe. Because like I know what the freak? What the freak? Okay, so it has like a little update log and it's like, why is there already a game pass? Get out! Stupid game pass pop-up. Okay. Stop it! Enough with the pop-ups already. 3 players is nice. Come here. Come here. Come on, I see. Oh, cool. We got Tropicana. I love Tropicana orange juice. You cannot find your way. Well, that's just unfortunate. Okay, the text is slowly fading. You have searched every. Why is the text appearing so slow? Hurry up! But there is still one place left. I wonder what it could be. The basement or something? Basement. Why? Are we like keeping kids in our basement? I need to find her. Are we for real? Are we still for real? I need to find the person who did it and why they did it. Okay. Okay, we get it. Or is it really a person or a what? Made by one developer. So is it a person or is it one developer? I'm not sure. Chapter 1. Okay, can we actually hurry up? Whoa, I feel like Logan Paul. It's a beautiful night out here in the forest, somewhere deep in the forest, guys. Is that my house? No way, why is it so dilapidated like that? I think we need to find an axe to get into a van and drive to a house to save my mom. Wow, I just found the axe. That's so convenient. It's just so conveniently placed. Oh my gosh, thank you, Game Dev. Can I pick up the phone? Are you serious? Okay, wow. There's so many game passes in here. It's a nice little van. Are we getting kidnapped? Oh, wait, there's something highlighted over there. Oh, guys, I'm stupid. Yeah, little. Wait, but what was the axe for then? What was that for? Oh, mommy, I want my mommy. Why is it shaking so hard? Okay, wow. Oh, look, it's a picture of me and my mommy. I want my mommy. Where's my? I was asking where my teammate was, bro. Can I get the flashlight now? It's still Game Pass, bro. I don't want to pick up anything now, bro. Okay, so we're in the little. Oh. Well, these are nice chairs. It looks like the mystery meat from Doors or something. Nice teapot, bro. Okay, let's go. Kick it. Kick it. Kick it. Kick it. Kick. Kick. Kick it. Yo, what's up? Yeah, I'm gonna make you go first because I'm not willing to do all that. Okay, yeah. There you go. Yeah, let's go down. Wait a minute. What? Oh, no. I'm out of here, bro. I'm out of here. Oh, wait. No. Tropicana! Tropicana! I need to find it. I'm gonna avenge Tropicana. Oh, wait, I could use this as a hiding spot. Definitely, bro. Okay, but it's not even here. I should save this spot, bro. Yeah. I hear something. Yeah, no, duh, bro. I just watched my teammate die. Thanks, Mr. Obvious. Okay, is this a dead end? Ooh. Oh no. It's right there, bro. Why the freak is it moving like that? Oh no, bro. Okay. Okay. I think I'm good. Wait, oh, can I climb the... Oh, no, I can't. Wait. Oh!